This is a 2011 Buick Regal. My gear shifter here. The little knob on the back of it here breaks, so I had to put a plastic on it. So now I'm trying to change it. I look on eBay and I saw them on Amazon for pretty cheap, $12, $13. So take the tape off it. That's the little knob at the back there. Looking like this. This is the new one. This is the new one. So this somehow it break. Now I gotta put it in park. Let me. Okay. I wanna put it in park.
In the mix, it's called Stay With Me.
So I do that. Not park, I should say neutral. I want to keep it in neutral. And first thing, you gotta pop this thing up. And underneath the bottom here, there's it's hard to see, but it's a zip tie. There's a zip tie. Yeah, zip tie. You have to need to have a zip tie, a small zip tie. So when you pop this thing up now, you gotta cut this zip tie. Okay. Okay, so I use my little thing here to cut that zip tie, and then I shift this thing down. Some people say you can just do like this on it, but that thing ain't budging. So I guess I'm gonna have to find some way. Actually, I'm not gonna need this anymore, so I can always break it. But there's a clip in it. There's a clip in it that I need to remove. But this thing, you can always break it apart to get it out, because you don't need this anymore anyway. Yeah, I'm trying to break some of this piece apart, but I guess I wasn't pulling it hard enough. So I said, pull it hard, it will come loose. Okay, there you go. This was the problem. So I got the new ones now. New one. All I have to do is go like this. Make sure I got it lined up. Make sure I got it lined up straight. Snatch right into place. Just like that. Just like that. So we gotta put back my zip tie. I'm gonna have to put back my zip tie. So it's easy. It's like a 5-10 minutes fix. And if you take this to a garage, they probably want to charge you $100. So use your brain, not your wallet. If you can use your brain, you don't have to use your money. You see? Fixed right back into place. New one now. I got this thing, works good. This is the old one. Brake. It's not hard, man. It's easy. Easy fix. Put back the zip tie. Gonna live here. Put back that zip tie there. This is where the zip tie comes in handy. Put back the zip tie here. Then I can use this now to cut this zip tie. Cut the zip tie here. And put back this now down. This goes back down as it used to be. And put back this now in place. So there we go. That's a quick fix. Quick fix.